try it out. So I'm gonna use it on cool first. Cool is pretty good. As you can see, it kind of straightened out my hair a little bit. My hair is still obviously going to be really curly because there's no heat on it, so that makes sense. I like the top part right here, how I'm able to like turn and it swivels around so it doesn't get caught at all, which is great. I'm going to use it on the low and see what happens. Okay, this is really pretty. Try it on high and see what happens. Yeah, I'm able to get right up in there in the root, and it looks great. All right, I'm gonna speed through this and then I'll come back to you. I mean, also look how long my hair is. This is crazy. Before, after, before, after. And I don't even have any shine spray in it. That's just, okay. All right, we're doing this. Let's go. Wow, that was really fast. And this looks really pretty. There's a lot of shine in there and I don't have any shine spray in it. This looks great. Let me lower this for you guys. This looks really pretty. I think what I appreciate from the brush itself is that because it's so large, I can get a large amount of hair. So I'm able to, you know, do bigger sections, whereas with a brush, I probably have to do a little bit smaller sections with probably. Now that I'm going to the top area, I'm going to just put the bottom part in a bun to kind of retain the structure of like that curl. That's usually what I do whenever I straighten my hair, so that way I don't have to apply that much heat when I'm trying to curl it. This is the top area. I'm just gonna spray this. I will say, I was kind of concerned about getting my roots and it coming close to it, but because it's got these bristles in there, it's got the pink ones and it's got these softer bristles, it doesn't hurt and it doesn't burn my head, which is great. It does get very hot, so I had to move kind of fast. Typically with a blow dryer, whenever I'm trying to get my root, I would use a blow dryer and just put a little bit of heat on it and have it go away. Put a little heat on it while I'm stretching my hair. You can get the same effect with that using this, just doing it really fast, so that way you don't stay on the root and burn your hair. So it's almost like you're just combing your hair out, combing your hair out, combing your hair out, and then right at the very end, just swiveling, and then that way you get that curl effect at the end. So my roots right now, they're very straight, which I'm like pleasantly happy and surprised when it's saying. Piece. Oh, okay. Let's see how it all looks now. Together. Moment of truth. Woo! I mean, your girl's got volume, baby, for days. For days. Wow. The ends are really, really pretty. I'm gonna touch at my root just a little bit. I'm gonna see what I can do. All right, so let's just spritz a little. A little shine spray on it. I mean, this volume is really pretty. Honey, what do you guys think? How do we feel using this device? So I think after a while, if I were to continue using it, then yeah, I would see that I could probably get the hang of it to cut that down even faster. I want to leave a do's and don'ts when it comes to the curly hair. If you do have curly hair and you decide to use this, do make sure that your hair is half dry. So when I got to the top part, it was a lot easier for me to blow dry that part than it was for the bottom part. Do make sure you start off with cool air first. I feel like starting off with the cool air allowed me to not dry out my hair very, very fast. I did one little piece with it starting off with the hot. I immediately felt the difference in my hair. Do blow dry your hair forward if you want more volume. Once it dries and your hair follicles start to fold in this way, when you're done with your blow dry and you push it back, you're gonna get this lifted effect. So that's what's gonna give you this beautiful like 1950s moments that's happening to me right now. Also, I'm not centered in the camera and that's gonna bother me. So here we go. Do use product. Make sure you use a blowout cream. I think that's just gonna help moisture in your hair and that way you won't dry it out. Do have a brush nearby. Make sure that you're able to brush your hair out right before you blow dry it. Also, I think with curly hair, use smaller sections. I know that the brush is very big and that way you're able to get a lot more hair, but I think if I had used smaller sections, maybe I wouldn't have the issues of, you know, all this curly root area. Don't go with wet soaking hair. Don't start off with crazy amount of heat, first of all. You kind of want to treat it, I think, just like you do with your blow dryer. Whenever I have my blow dryer, I don't go in with just like max heat. I start off with something cool to just get the hair kind of prepped, and then I move into something. I go in with a higher heat, so it's essentially like the same thing. Yeah, I would give this probably a solid 8 out of 10. Just because it's my first time. I like a 9. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It's light, it's 2-in-1, and it worked way better on my hair than I thought it was gonna work.